You might have heard that NFTs are making a comeback, and if not, this is me telling you that they are. If you're a skeptic, then keep swiping, but if you're an artist, a musician, a creator of any kind, and you're interested in building a Web3, let me tell you about Collectify. We have a huge toolkit to help you bring your project to life, and I'm going to show you how to set up your own collection of digital collectibles. First things first, you do need to create the art, design, music, whatever your asset ultimately is. Then it's a question of filling in the metadata. If that sounds like complicated coding, it's not. Just use our spreadsheet-based metadata guide. Work within our metadata tool and build the back end of your project in minutes. Once you're finished, you just copy the URL and you're ready to create your NFTs. ERC 721 is the perfect contract for most collections. Fill in the contract information. It's pretty self-explanatory, and we have guides everywhere. Once all of this is filled in, there are a few aesthetics that you want to sort out, and we're ready to make a contract. Look at that, the contract's live already. And here's the minting page. Now you can get out there and promote your work, inscribed forever on the blockchain. Once your project's live and people are starting to collect your NFTs, you can use our post-minting tools like Marketplace, Station, and Holder to get more insights on your community, communicate with them, and build platforms for them to trade. You can synergize with additional tokens, or prepare for your second drop. What are you waiting for? Build something today with Collectify.